Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I just wanted to talk briefly about diplomacy, which is often seen by us as something which includes the peaceful negotiations among states to reach a conflict resolution. But I think it goes beyond that. It is not always the peaceful negotiations. Rather, it can take many other forms, threats, pressures, deadlines, as it happened in the current episode between the United States and Iran. So, this type of diplomacy is called coercive diplomacy. So, the concept of coercive diplomacy basically was conceptualized by Alexander George, who defined it as a form of diplomacy which involves negotiations as well as threat of or threat of use of force or use of a limited force to change the adversary behavior. So if we see in the emerging context, there were like deadlines, economic sanctions, attacks. It was not a limited use of force, although, but we can see broadly that this current scenario that can also be looked through the lens of coercive diplomacy. So in simple terms, we can say it is a carrot and stick approach. So where there are like sticks as well as carrots to reach some kind of agreement or to change the adversary behavior. Thank you very much.